Okay, friends, just open your application menu, then select Airtel Bank. Okay, after the new update, you have to tick mark on those settings, and it will be beware of caution settings. Okay, you can click proceed and select view account to know your balance. Okay, then accept the terms and conditions, safe usage guidelines, tick that and continue. Now you can see here your physical debit card options is here. You can also see here view account, and you can see the balance on top of the page. Okay, now I have 1067 rupees 98 paise balance in my account. So in this way you can easily check your Airtel Bank balance on your mobile applications. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch or understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.